Hey, it is a laundry day, and we're making our rounds in town. And Laurie's going into Family Dollar right now to pick up some stuff. So I want to show you something out here in the parking lot. Uh, I've never seen a van set up like this before. The tag's for New Mexico, so I guess a UFO landed on top of that van. Something, I don't know. It's just, can't help but look at it. It's unique. It's kind of weird. But anyhow, I'll drop her off at the laundromat in a few minutes. Then you can drive with me over to the library where I got to do some updates on the computer because it's decided it wanted to act retarded. And since Microsoft has to update every 5 minutes, I need to do it or I can't use it. And my digital program for my ham radio don't want to work. I think because of the update for Microsoft. Always something.
Whoa.
There's not many people in here either.
Hell yeah. Back to closing at 4:30.
Just dropped Laurie off at the laundromat. Now we're heading up here to the library to use their Wi-Fi so I can get some much updated stuff done to the computer, so hopefully it'll run right. And anything else I need to look up while I'm here, because you can get free Wi-Fi at the library. It's okay, it's not the best in the world, but depends on how many people's up here to how fast the speeds are. It's actually a halfway decent area of Quartzsite. So, hey, I think we got about one more week here, and then we're out of this place. Been talking about going to Wickenburg for about a week, then go up to the Grand Canyon. We'll see. Me, myself, I just assumed to go to Grand Canyon, get it over with, stay up there a couple weeks, and then start working our way towards South Dakota, because we are heading back there for a work camping job. And oh yeah, if you're looking for a job, I put a link in the description to how to get a hold of Forest Recreation Management up in the Black Hills. They're still looking for help. So, all right, let me get settled up and get this illuminated computer hooked up online and get it download started. Well, I got the computer started on the download. I got 6 or 7 updates right now downloading on the computer. This thing hasn't been updated in God knows, I think, since November of last year. So it's much needed updates. And hopefully my ham radio digital program will work better when I get this illuminated thing updated. So we'll see. And like I said, as I was pulling in here, as of this video, if you're looking for a job through the spring and summer, and maybe you would like to go to the BlackHills of South Dakota, give Forest Recreation Management. Like I said, I'll put the link in the description of this video. The lady you talked to, her name's Kelly, a real good friend of Laurie and mine, and they'll discuss the pay and your job duties. I do know they have 2 openings. One is at Sheridan Lake, where we're going to be, and the other one's at Pactola, which is just a little ways down from Sheridan Lake. And I think you'll like it. And she'll go over the details and your pay rate. It is full hookups now. You get water, electric, and sewer, and it's all right there. Pactola, you do have a little bit of cell service. Last year, Sheridan Lake didn't have any, but you're not far from town. Hill City's just 5 or 6 miles down the road. They got everything you need there. A nice library with high-speed internet, grocery store, doctor's office, dentist, a little bit of everything. The 1880 train ride starts there and goes into Keystone. You're not far from Mount Rushmore, Crazy Horse, and good gosh, Deadwood, and a few other places. You know, Sturgis is within an hour. Rapids about 30 miles away. And so, you know, you got a bigger town to go to. So think about it. If you know, like I say, if you're looking for work, I'll put the description and Kelly's phone number and the way to get a hold of her in the video, and go from there. Okay, we are done. The computer is updated for now. And get out of here and head back to Laundromat and get Laurie. And then stop and get some more water. And we're done for today. Yay! Good thing the computer got done updating when it did. Everybody's starting to pile in up here, so the internet will start slowing down. More people will come up here, the slower it gets. But nevertheless, we are done. At least today isn't hot, so it's not as bad being out here, sitting in the truck, getting updates at the library. Down in the wash we go. Up we go. Gotta love it. Got to love it. Living free. Discount Solar. Well, they're busy installing solar in everybody's RV. Except for mine. Do it myself. It's been working pretty good too. Alright. We're almost to the laundromat. Yay me. Getting stuff done. Go back, chill for a few, and then get stuff done around there so we can get out of here. Alright guys, thanks for riding along. We're here at the laundromat. I'm going to go ahead and get off here so I can help Laurie get everything brought in. Appreciate you watching the videos. Have a great day. Stay safe. Until next time, enjoy life. Go RVing. Peace.